Hi guys, here we are at Sleaford East Level Crossing in Lincolnshire with Joe Thorpe. There we go, about 2 minutes ago we just dismissed the HST off to Skeg. And I'm not sure what this is yet because Andrew's gone. 9:20. Yeah, you can see it when you zoom out a bit like that. Right, Sleaford West is shut, so we've got us open, so obviously we're getting one from this way. I'll move over to the island so you can see it properly. And before the traffic goes, because I left my Coke on the top of the ballard. Should have bought this one when my mum was with me. Oh, I've just remembered now, this is the Leicester. Lincoln Central to Leicester. We don't know what to say yet. Here she is. This is, you won't be able to see it because it's not through the bush yet. You might just be able to see it. This is a 156. Yes, this is a 156 coming, guys. And we'll be over here by lunchtime. One 156 497. One 156 497 from Lincoln to Leicester. And there they go. Thank you guys, I'll see you in the next video.